Today I bring you the review of the DJI Mini 2 SE drone. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the best product reviews. You have the link in the description to buy it on sale at the best price. The DJI Mini 2 SE is an entry-level budget drone that was released in February 2023. Despite its affordable price, it offers exceptional performance and flight range. Here are some key details about the DJI Mini 2 SE. Design and size. Weight, 246 grams at takeoff. Folded dimensions, without propellers, 138 x 81 x 58 millimeters. Camera, 2.7K, capable of filming at 30 frames per second and taking images with a resolution of 12 megapixels. Flight performance. Battery life, up to 31 minutes. Maximum flight speed, 16 meters per second in optimal conditions in sport mode. Wind resistance, 10.6 meters per second, level 5 wind resistance. Video transmission. Transmission module, DJI-O2. Maximum legal transmission range. FCC, Federal Communications Commission, USA, 6.2 miles or 10 kilometers. CE, Conformity European, EU compliance, 3.7 miles or 6 kilometers. SRRC, State Radio Regulation of China, 3.7 miles or 6 kilometers. MIC, Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications of Japan, 3.7 miles or 6 kilometers. Intelligent flight modes. Quick shots. The Mini 2 SE offers automatic shooting modes like drone, circle, spiral, and helix. These modes allow you to capture creative shots without the need for advanced piloting skills. Tap Fly, you can tap on the screen to fly automatically in the selected direction. Smart Return to Home, the drone will automatically return to the takeoff point if it loses connection with the remote control or if the battery is low. Active Track, it can automatically follow a moving subject. Prices and availability. The DJI Mini 2 SE is an excellent choice for beginners and enthusiasts looking for an affordable yet capable drone. Its price varies depending on the region and included accessories. You can find more details on websites like DroneSpy, Maison du Drone, Digital Camera World, and others. In summary, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a compact, lightweight drone packed with smart features that make it ideal for beginners and flight enthusiasts. If you're looking for an affordable yet capable drone, the Mini 2 SE is definitely worth considering. I hope you liked it. Remember, you have the link in the description to buy it on sale at the best price.